Good morning, friend. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical level. As expected yesterday, gold prices corrected by 0.78%, closed at 48,523. It also made a low of 48,105. In international market, gold is trading around $1862 per ounce. Silver price also corrected sharply by 0.48% and closed at 71,879. It also yesterday made a low of 70,933. In international market, silver is trading around $27.64 per ounce. The trend of gold and silver are negative on the back of strength in dollar and increase in a bond yield, and also expectation of Federal Reserve Bank to increase interest rate. So for today, we are expecting again negative trend may be seen in gold and silver prices. Gold support at 48,100, resistance 48,950. Silver support at 71,000, resistance 72,600. So trader can go for short in gold and silver for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have seen that copper prices corrected by 0.37% and closed at 745.85. However, zinc price increased by 0.27%, closed at 242.70. The trend of base metal are also sideways to down on the back of strength in dollar. So for today we are expecting a negative trend may be seen in the base metal. So trader can go for short in base metal for intraday perspective. Copper support at 730, resistance 749. Zinc support at 237, resistance 244. Lead support at 169, resistance 174. Nickel support at 1335, resistance 1365. Aluminum support at 193, resistance 198. So we are recommending sell in base metal for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the crude oil and energy segment. Yesterday we have noticed that some correction in crude oil prices, and it corrected by closed at 0.21% and closed at 5191 levels. So for today we are expecting as the trend, long-term trend of the crude oil is positive, so we are recommending buy on a dip in crude oil. It has a strong support at 5120, resistance 5290. WTI crude oil support at $69 per barrel, resistance at $73 per barrel. Brent crude support at $71.50 per barrel and resistance at $75.50 per barrel. However, natural gas prices support at 234, resistance 250. Yesterday we have noticed that natural gas prices yesterday increased by 0.29%. The trend of natural gas is also positive, so we are recommending buy in natural gas for intraday perspective. In nutshell, we are expecting a negative trend in gold and silver prices and also in base metal, and we are recommending buy on a dip in energy segment. We hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.